Yeah, you know what to do. Yo, Ella and Bella, listen to this, girls. Listen, let me tell you. I never give up on you. I will never give up on you, no matter what. I will. Before you were born, girls, I started helping you, made you popular before you were born. When you were pregnant in your mother's womb, I was giving her money every week. Every week. Yet what did I get in return? What did I get in return? She planned my downfall with people. With some woman who calls herself a pastor. Me don't know me. Hey, if God don't stop me or take me. Just say, hey, videos are made to win them. I said, Ghanaians will ask, wow, this guy was going through this and still entertaining people. But even I'm here, all I did is to take off my daughters and make the world know I love them too much. So because of that, you use it against me. You are using my own children against me, sabotaging me here and there. Guess what, girl? Did you forget there are videos, audios, voice notes, thing? After all this, you took the girls away. I'm still taking care of you. I'm still the one sending you money. Yet you still disgrace me and continue telling. Just say, "Ugu many masses Aden, Vanessa Aden." And now mommy boy said, whoa, Majigo Bruta, you're ready. When you're ready. Ella and Bella, you grow up and see this video. I don't know what tomorrow brings, but I grow up and see this video and know you, your father never gave up on you. I fought till my last breath. Got it.
Fit your niases anything, and your friends saying, mechanic. Zana prophet kumichacha, my sister me YouTube, no, baby, I should be a change your floor, and I'm about too much GH. Shit! Na prophet kumichacha, me so me share.
Me mamo akwa ba shoko eba too much GHSO. Bidding Eden na ama owusa na ebreno ewi edu se trending issues abeto jano mede ebesomo ewo efide eso na enenso ensema abeto jano emu arewo emu ya na ninya edina eye Ghana ha comedian bakoba jidin pa padodo na efreno Kaswa Van Dam biemu to musa friend ye children's president me patch funny face and the ankasa ne best mark boating sabre and sema aba ponte ade fan no to say eni eya yin and ni ane say sha say Saturday ya etwemu na wo sha say wo keka ensem koma ensem bi e funny baby mama Ella and Bella Womo mami a wo free yen in chains a month ago or de enkwala no edi echire te say ebridi etwemu wo de shell win kuma would actor any ebiemu so no best mark the joke ni partner e wo cow and kitchen sick cow and chicken series no emu any ebiemu so calibers no so ye another comedian what they call show almost a woman and woman take chile Emma and baby mama Vanessa a feeling chain. Now this time around Saturday they were bar bunting out as a ordinary actually before for cry Walker and Sam say well you're ready and willing so what didn't say ya ebp efa the seaporting ewo no and then the baby mama no entema and I'm so Emma wabano efa nkolano edi a feeling chain. Now what church mu no pinpoint yeah journalist Ghana ha didi ade mame yeboa esiedo na wo shate se wo ka no ensem no ema wo no emu nso ba bonte e mame no ba bonte be ka se wo no de woni se occupational hazard na enye boni bia santimpai bo eno wo kai funny face wo mu na ni niemu no ono so atrai se obe defend no ho se asem no asat sana funny face to no so no enimu sa se wo no no otu girl no for na to tutu nsem edigu na sum se won to sa anamo no akwa se funny face hu de wo de asem no esente asle ni an to no so hu be nya se wo be di ni din efi ene nkika ho a funny face nsem no ede be beta ho no nti enam so e ma ni be posti audio bi abuja from di kan ede be tu minim no mu no wo ba Vanessa yenta for Ella and Bella mami ono apa mu eka nsem no de see ye wo free funny face efio in August 2019 it said de keka won nsem pi abuse that will fail mu de keka ho no na wo de nsem we ebe to dwa no sa brave funny face asa ba point bi o chem say atropa na de say depending my throat just say na to say they were so why ready pa or 26 video what they ba point am prove say one no any oye victim one no any ye no enyo ye di no so one no any abuse no no and wo ba no any na di ye ntiwade ebusuafo videos the funny face mo di bi ababote pa na dey kind no what dey a video bi ebetu dwa at say no emunu na say Abaywa Vanessa ye baby mama twins no Emma me no the ebuefu na the danger that wo ye abuna ani start say ko fa so ni mu a say wa friend ungrateful na wa friend nti woni ne enya de wonte ne wa say the tin mu say the wo pound so on funny face preko part say wo be ko na art say ko fo mu ewo wo mu kokra ni semu e le see ni kwani ni ano na video no wo mo record ne busa for ye go esa video no Emma na ba biem to another video wo ai be ka ho asem
ama dia pa ne ha ama dia ne ha me aja me say class man nkura ni ko shi wutie me ka we ka nti no ka Emma me nya me ye jimi fonti no ka Emma bisa se de na me dia no ma bisa no dia wo ya se ya me dia ya wo mi mo yes because what is ya wenti
Me yakwase.
abuo binti akora we ko ni fo wenti me ma kwa akoda ha me ayi to yo ka ya am grateful kwasi ampanyi me ma kwa akoye ima
Sena me kai no ena edamu ni ma mahwere na ebiem so enti wa wosan edi video biem so esa babonte no emunu na ne dem as ebusha fokro ya mahia e wo dem atese wo be ya so ne mene a wo mia na ne satesaka de na brante ne mene creative so de ne samienu according to caption to was say sa video ni mu no wo de samienu e bo na so obema a wo ba de ne samienu abo aso na tese wadi wase ukra nti eno nso no wode eka ho eba ne bisa for yenhwe eno so emra sesia
na pressure the call we na aso we yankula jaja na me ka jai we yankula ya cut it we yankula me say
na min video ma
cut it
na we eno esin chen so wasa edi video bi beto wa eno no asede we otwa ye ate na eno no wode a reporting girl no edi ama wo fe bi a em say yo peni bi a wo gina wo machi say wo nka bom emu no wo na ate say wo ni mu bi a na wode etulo nim say na ekoso wo fie wa hu be nya say abayo no be finish because ontimi no ent na fie wo
Yeah, uncle. One another fight and opesi. Once I me catch you say obano unim ni see me. Where did you be on my ebubu nkonya no? E wa bontin. Abo mani so. We si me ne ntina. Get away. Hwe. Kwa na gu ono musu no mada. O musu. No ni me pupu wa ase.
Na nini nya mo no tumu say ujina baby na wo hye ensem a utumu se obia de kakra obia no watochima ewo mu na Ghana fodo na eka se asem we de se na ti fatie no enke ho be hia pa se Ghana ha eke be wo institution bi ate se ensem bi se no enke be koswe wo mu na se no betima ye entoto ye akwese Ghana bibia ye yato na jeje mu ensem ho hia no especially fa enkola wo ma sitire mu wo mu nane wo mu papa wo mu ehwe mu no akwese ensem bi a yato na jeje mu do say ye wo dosi ye waju sesia any child care foster unit wo no ma still na akwese ensem bi say no ye sheda emfa ye ni enkoso ye because we obi a papa yi kire say wo no open ba mami so atisan kola yi e de ko baby na the sound say confusion da wo mu ntema wo mu nhia eye to eye nti no na kwan ben so ne be nam so ama enkola no ebetime nya efa ani efa edo a wo metimi enya asundwe ewo such a toxic relationship ma wo mu mami and wo papa difference say wo mu ntem no entimi affect enkola no institution bi sa no ye ni bi nke se kenya eye Ghana yenya counseling unity bi a awofo a wo mu going through such hardship and trauma no they betimi edo maba on board na efutuo bi and say training bi edo ma femu na so wo ma sitrem ne wo mu ma relationship no wo metimi aye ni no no so a ye ni bi e Ghana nti kofo mu ni say the egga kono o tie funny face this sem ni post no follow the catches or they took video na sa timi say abranta no ti ama ye ni anko no hokra pa no obeku no hokra e dey say biase because nka say na ase de wa bre wa fat ti mu ache obese won give it up so won nyani ne mu na video so recorded to abonti nya no obese ne ma no e na nyi a wo mu behu na timi say asem no emu eye dey it's beyond the air say dey ni emu aye jeje no but it needs special care and I say special people so me taking care of for me year better year not to say and someone me abrasi because this kind of situations no should not be solved on social media say videos ne captions na post no and then no and it's always such a situation because social media there that is to draw so will be there in the fear better national no better what there then no asem no asente football there or ran no ye be social media so be ya wo counselor be chiri kwa na se wo mpe social welfare ana waju mpelifo ne bi no mo trauma se no mo ncheche wo mo te kwa yo mefa wo mo mie no betimi aka me into an agreement a wo mehwe mo ma ensembia embeche because eno ani funny face so na here dia wo de ato abote to no de opese ne mano Ella and Bella no wo mo enwo ne nchen eno ani ni so a for all this months no warranty ti eye won pa se be si ne ye nya obi a wo si ejine mu se wobeka asem no ede ye atoyenti ensem no ebi akoduru no e na me de aso mo so ma de ntia no mo dia na mo fan so me e wo ye comment section na ebi mo so no follow yen e wo ye Twitter na ye Instagram handles at @toomuchgh_ Facebook also ye toomuchgh na ama owusu a enim di mi de besi anya me ya doma ye besan edi ehia bi makramu
Too much GH. Me did akose Japan. E brepi am bese me TV. Me share too much GH. Omo de move for. Hey, omo sports and as entertainment. Hey, omo de move for. Mo koso show mo. No any beji de bia. Me da ma say love you.
Too much GH. We boy wate. Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH.
Me did the Isaiah Kodjampo. We between family the great tempo. Mbrim. One man come on here Too Much GH. Too much GH. Too much. Na me so me I'm more fire.